Here we got the brand new iPhone 17e, and this is the black one, 256. What's that? It's got iPhone written on there, a little logo and that there, and that's the iPhone. That's the back side. So let's open it up. So let's do peel the. Let's do this one. So this is the phone. We'll just put that onto the side first. We've got the pin. Ooh, this is different. This will be the, not the lightning cable, type C. You can see it, type C cable. Type C cable here. Instructions, and that's it, no charger. So just the USB, some instruction, and then the phone. Let's just take the screen off. So it's got the power button on this side. There's a screen. Here you got the SIM tray here, volume button on, and maybe power button. So that might be the action button on here. It has one camera, I expected two. It's okay. On the top, nothing, and on the bottom, it's got the type C with the speaker, and it's quite thin as well. It's very thin. Speaker there, camera there. Let's look. Let's get on. Oh, maybe I'm pressing the wrong one. This is the on button. Maybe need charging. This is the action button if you just want to press something on it. There's a camera. Camera's quite big, but it's rated 2, but as long as it gives the same quality. There it is.